Hello viewers, I hope you all guys are doing well. The topic is what is a web proxy. Web proxy is one method for hiding your IP address from the website you visit. They are a bit like search engines, so they are really easy to search. Just enter the website you want to visit to an online tool. This causes site you are viewing through the tool to not see your real location. So to them, you are accessing the page from somewhere other than where you are really. What is web proxy? Web proxy is a shield between you and the website you are visiting. They are viewing a website through a web proxy. The website sees that a specific ID address to accessing its server, but the address is not yours because all the web traffic between your computer and the web services first falls through the proxy server. Another way to visualize a web proxy is a middleman. For example, when you request the liveware site through an online proxy, all you have really doing is telling the proxy server to the access liveware for you, and then when they receive the page you want, they see it back to you. If it's not helpful, you can think something more tangible. Say you bought a pair of the shoes from a store and the resold at your yard sale. The buyer only knows where they got the shoes. So they are like the website which know the location of the proxy. The buyer does not communicate directly with the store, and neither you two communicate directly with the destination website. You are on a web proxy. The website you are viewing sets the proxy IP address now instead of yours. This happening over and over very quickly so that you can borrows the website normally while hiding your identity and without giving up your real public ID address. Should you use one? Web proxy can be helpful for a number of the sessions. That it's also important to know when not to use one. Most people use one of the announcements when doing so their searches are private for their internet services provided from the websites they are visiting or from the agencies that might be tracking web habits. If you suspect that particular subject in logging your activity, you might jump on a web proxy to help keep your private information from the wrong hands. Maybe your whatever reason you will be banned from a website, you want to get back it. Similarly, if the website is banned in your country and you want to unlock the site, so if you can access it, a proxy is one solution. Either way, is the website is blocking your IP address, the web proxy can help you unlock it by giving you a new IP address. So other benefits are to block ads, compress data to save or usage process pops, suspect pop-ups, remove scripts and the disable cookies. However, you want to research the proxy carefully before diving to deploying to it. The last thing you want to put in your faith in company that's ultimately logging your bank coordinates, strong your social media password and setting your email, basically defaulting the whole point of the using. Depending on the country where the proxy is operating, it might provide your real IP address to authorize it. Keep it into mind. Also, always keep the fine print. Web proxy limitations. An online proxy can also do much for you. In short, it hides your real IP address whenever even a truly encrypted, and the announcement of would not mask your identity if you are using the online account that ties to your real identity. For example, if you log in your Gmail account through a web proxy, your email are not suddenly amused. Your identity is still tied to the account you are using. The same is true for any account you log into using one such as your bank or the Amazon account. Neither is payment information anonymous when you during a proxy session. Web proxy also did not hide your internet usage, so you can expect one of let you data limit. If your phone can access only 10 GB data each month, passing your web browsing traffic through a web proxy would not hide any addition data usage from your career that site, that there might be some proxies that help by compressing the data.